In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server without an invite link. If you've ever wanted to join a public community but didn't have a direct invite URL, don't worry. There's actually a built-in way to discover and join servers directly from Discord itself. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can find and join servers safely and quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Discord guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app or simply go to discord.com and log into your account through your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main Discord dashboard. On the far left side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical sidebar that shows all the servers you're currently a member of. Now, look at the very bottom of that left sidebar. You'll see a plus icon. This is the Add a Server button. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you click it, a new window will pop up giving you a few different options for creating or joining a server. In this menu, click on the option that says Join a Server. This is where most people would normally paste an invite link, but since we're joining without an invite link, we're going to use Discord's built-in discovery feature instead. Inside the Join window, look for the option that says You don't have an invite or Explore public servers. Click on that option. This will take you to Discord's server discovery page. This feature allows you to browse and search for public communities that have enabled discovery. Once you're on the server discovery page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, you can type in the name of a community, a topic, or a keyword related to your interests. For example, you can search for gaming, coding, music, crypto, anime, study groups, or anything else you're interested in. As you type, Discord will display a list of public servers that match your search. Click on any server that looks interesting to you. When you select a server, you'll see a preview of it. This preview lets you browse some channels and get a feel for the community before officially joining. If you decide that you want to join the server, simply click the Join Server button. Instantly, that server will be added to your left sidebar along with your other communities. And that's it. You've successfully joined a Discord server without using an invite link. Keep in mind that this method only works for public servers that have server discovery enabled. Private servers still require an invite link from a member or administrator, so if you can't find a specific server through search, it may be private. One quick tip: before joining large public servers, take a moment to review their rules channel. Most communities have guidelines that help keep conversations respectful and organized. Reading the rules first can help you avoid accidental violations and make a good first impression. So just to quickly recap, open Discord, click the plus icon on the left sidebar, select Join a Server, choose the option to explore public servers, search for a community, preview it, and then click Join Server. Simple, fast, and no invite link required. If this video helped you learn how to join a Discord server without an invite link, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.